In the next two modules, we're going to cover two aspects of students' transitions. We're going to start out by broadly discussing the areas of transitions, and then we'll move on to talk about how student characteristics might impact the transition. You are going to be completing one pre-reflection, a couple videos, one reading, and one assignment. Once you're ready to get started, click the Complete the Pre-Reflection link under What to Work On. The pre-reflection will ask you to consider different aspects of students' transitions. You can draw on your experience or others' experiences when you're completing this pre-reflection. Next, you'll watch a short video focused on the academic transition. This video will overview some of the major changes students might experience related to their academics. Next, you're going to be watching a TED Talk focused on the secret to student success. The speaker will talk about the role of effort in students' academic success. Finally, you'll be watching one short video focused on one student's college transition and an article written by the same student. The video and the article focus on making friends and the social transition into undergrad. Your assignment for this module focuses on a reflection of your first year. We'll start out by asking you a couple questions related to the institution that you attended, the major you pursued, etc. And then we'll ask you to think about some of the challenges and successes that you faced during your first year. Ultimately, our goal for you is to think back to your first year and use that as a foundation when you work with other students. Using your own experience, you can start to identify some potential challenges that students might face as they transition into college. All right, let's get started.